I am Kannababu, working as Principal Scientist at Indian Institute of Millets Research. Seed science and technology is one of the thematic areas at IMR, and I am working on seed science approaches for enhancing the seed yield and the quality in millet crops. Number of cultivars are being released every year in sorghum, pearl millet and small millets. In sorghum, the cultivars include hybrids, both hybrids and varieties. And in small millets, since they are self-pollinated crops, only varieties are being released. These hybrids and varieties of millet crops requires special seed production technologies, processing technologies and storage technologies to produce and maintain good quality seed, and in order to supply these seeds to the farmers. This quality seed is very important for realization of crop productivity at farmers' field level. So to maintain the seed quality or to produce the seed quality, we need to develop special methods and technologies of seed production, processing and storage. To maintain seed quality in terms of genetic purity, breeders have to follow certain guidelines on maintenance breeding. So for millets maintenance breeding, we have developed methods of maintenance breeding and published a book. This book will enable the breeders. This provides guidelines to breeders and the seed industry professionals to produce the seed quality with high genetic purity. So which is very important to realize the truthfulness of a variety at farmers' field level. So coming to standardization of hybrid seed production technology, we worked in sorghum and published the technologies for synchronizing the parental lines during hybrid seed production program. Hybrid seed production program involves both male fertile and male sterile lines, which have to flower at the same time. If these lines don't flower at the same time, the hybrid seed setting will be very poor and the seed production program will be a failure. So the agronomic specialized manipulation and technologies, for either by way of agronomic management or chemical space, will enable both the female and male parents to synchronize, to flower at the same time. This technology was developed in specific to different sorghum hybrids. Coming to small millets, the integrated approaches we are trying to work here, wherein agronomic methods and integration technologies combining together to enhance the seed yield and the quality. So far, the literature available on small millets research is very less, and we are working on that to produce the quality seed and maintain the quality seed in small millets. So here in small millets, the exact stage of harvest is not known. Physiological maturity is very important to be identified in small millets, all the 6 crops, to harvest good quality seed. If we identify the physiological maturity after flowering, the seed harvested after physiological maturity will give the good seed quality, which can be stored for longer duration and be easy to maintain also. If we harvest immature seeds, that will create a lot of problems and that will not be maintained properly, and it will deteriorate, the quality loss will be more. So we are working on identification of physiological maturity in small millets and right stage of harvest in small millet, to be in working towards identifying the right stage of harvest in small millets. Also, earlier we have evaluated in all these millet crops different categories of genotypes. In association with breeders, we have evaluated different categories of genotypes, which includes parentals of mapping populations, genetic accessions, forest sorghums, sweet sorghums, even the released cultivars of small millets. All these genotypes were evaluated for seed setting potentials across seasons and seed vigor and viability potentials, so that superior genotypes could be identified, which will enable the breeders to have a choice of selecting for even seed quality traits also. Also, we have published all our technologies and methods in the form of papers in international and national journals, in the form of books, book chapters, and even in the conference papers, presentations.